Those so-called miracle hacks floating around online, most are straight-up myths. Some just drain your wallet. Others can quietly destroy your engine. I've torn down hundreds of engines ruined by bad advice, and the repair bills tell the real story. Today I'm pulling back the curtain on 15 of the most expensive gas-saving lies that are quietly costing the average driver over $2,300 a year. Stick with me. By the end, I'll share one dead simple, zero-cost trick that added nearly 2.1 mpg to my personal F-150. Real-world results, no gimmicks, no additives. Let's dive in. Myth number 1, premium gas improves mileage. Let's kill this one for good. Premium fuel isn't some magical elixir that wakes up your engine. I can't tell you how many owners roll in convinced that splashing out for the expensive stuff will clean valves or squeeze out extra power. Here's the reality check. Unless your owner's manual specifically demands premium, you're throwing money away, often 50 cents to a full dollar per gallon, for zero measurable gain. Independent testing by the Federal Trade Commission and real-world fleet data shows that roughly 87% of vehicles see literally no improvement in fuel economy or performance on premium. That it feels smoother sensation, pure placebo. Your brain is just rationalizing an emptier wallet. Want proof you can trust? Grab your phone, use your car's trip computer or a simple app and run 3 full tanks on regular, then switch to premium for 3 more. Track every mile. Most people see the numbers stay flat while the total spent climbs. In my shop last year, 23 customers ran this exact test. Only 2 saw any benefit. Myth number 2, idling uses less gas than restarting. This fossil of an idea needs to be buried. I still hear it from customers. I'll just leave it running, it saves gas. Modern fuel-injected engines laugh at that 1970s logic. Today's computers and injectors are engineered to restart cleanly and efficiently. The US Department of Energy has proven it. Idling for more than about 10 seconds burns more fuel than shutting off and restarting. Delivery drivers, parents waiting in school pickup lines, rideshare folks, listen up. If you're stopped longer than 30 seconds, kill the engine. Every 15 minutes of idling can waste a quarter gallon. Do that regularly and you're looking at hundreds of dollars a year down the drain plus unnecessary emissions. Worried about starter wear? Modern starters are built for thousands of cycles. Many Toyotas, for example, are rated for the equivalent of 20+ starts per day for 50 years. Turn it off. Save fuel, save money, your engine will thank you. Myth number 3, aftermarket fuel additives boost MPG. Save your $20. The vast majority of those shiny bottles on the auto parts shelf are expensive snake oil. The EPA and AAA have tested dozens of these products. Almost none delivered any meaningful fuel economy improvement. Your engine doesn't need magic chemistry, it needs basic maintenance. Clean injectors, a healthy oxygen sensor, fresh plugs at the right interval, and keeping your foot out of the throttle do far more than any additive. If you're genuinely concerned about deposits, a quality cleaner like Techron used every 5,000 miles is plenty for most drivers. Focus on the fundamentals, that's where real efficiency lives. Myth number 4, turning off the AC saves tons of gas. It sounds logical, kill the AC, roll down the windows, save fuel. But physics has other ideas, especially above 50 mph. Open windows wreck your aerodynamics and create drag that often burns more gas than running the AC. SAE and Consumer Reports testing shows the real-world difference is tiny, usually 1–3% either way. Sweating through a hot commute for pennies isn't worth it. In stop-and-go traffic, the AC does use a bit more, but a properly maintained system isn't the villain. Keep your windows up on the highway, use the AC when you need it, and make sure the system is healthy. Comfort and efficiency can coexist. Myth number 5, filling up in the morning saves money. This one sounds like clever insider knowledge. Cooler morning fuel is denser, so you get more for your buck. Nice try. Gasoline is stored in large underground tanks that stay remarkably stable in temperature. Any density change throughout the day is tiny, maybe a penny or 2 at best. Your driving habits, tire pressure, and maintenance matter 1,000 times more. Stop setting alarms to chase temperature tricks. Focus on the things that actually move the needle. Myth number 6, manual transmissions always save gas. They used to have the edge, but modern engineering flipped the script. Today's 8, 9, and 10-speed automatics, along with advanced CVTs and dual-clutch systems, shift at optimal RPMs every single time. EPA data on recent model years shows that in over 60% of vehicles, the automatic version matches or beats the manual for fuel economy. Computers don't get tired or try to hypermile in the wrong gear. That satisfying shift might feel engaging, but it rarely saves you money anymore. Check the official ratings for your specific model before assuming the stick shift is automatically thriftier. Myth number 7, letting the engine warm up saves fuel. Idling in the driveway for 10 minutes isn't protecting your engine, it's wasting gas and causing problems. Modern fuel-injected engines are designed to be driven. Idling produces 0 miles per gallon and can lead to carbon buildup and inefficient combustion. Best practice: start the car, wait 20-30 seconds for oil pressure to build. I've verified this with infrared tools, then drive gently for the first few miles. The engine warms up faster under light load, runs cleaner, and you save real money. That old-school long idle habit is actually harmful. Myth number 8, overinflating tires improves MPG. Chasing every last bit of rolling resistance by pumping tires rock hard is a terrible trade-off. Yes, slightly higher pressure can reduce drag a hair, but you pay for it with faster tire wear, longer braking distances, especially in the wet, and a punishing ride. I've seen premium tires shredded thousands of miles early from this habit. Stick religiously to the pressure on your driver's door jam sticker. That's the engineered sweet spot for safety, handling, and efficiency. Anything more is asking for trouble. Myth number 9, buying gas from top-tier stations is always better. Top-tier gas does contain extra detergents and it's generally good, but it's not a miracle that justifies always paying more. For most everyday drivers, the MPG difference is negligible. What matters more is the station's maintenance, clean tanks and filters. I've seen perfectly fine fuel from solid discount stations and questionable stuff from big-name pumps. If deposits worry you, use a quality cleaner periodically instead of overpaying at every fill-up. Myth number 10, Eco Mode drastically improves mileage. Eco Mode is a helpful nudge. Not a superpower. It dials back throttle sensitivity, adjusts shift points, and sometimes limits AC. You might see 1.3 mpg if you were previously driving aggressively. But no mode can overcome poor habits like heavy acceleration or carrying unnecessary weight. Smooth, anticipatory driving beats any button on the dash. Myth number 11, drafting behind trucks saves fuel. This isn't efficiency, it's Russian roulette. Riding in a truck's slipstream might reduce drag in theory, but the risks are enormous. Zero visibility, sudden braking you can't anticipate, and massive danger to everyone involved. The tiny potential savings aren't worth your life or the insurance nightmare. Keep a safe following distance and drive smoothly. Myth number 12, driving in neutral or coasting downhill saves significant fuel. Modern engines cut fuel completely when decelerating in gear, true engine braking with zero fuel use. Shift to neutral and the engine idles, burning gas for no reason. You also lose engine braking, which means more brake wear and less control. Stay in gear. Let the car do what it was designed to do. Myth number 13, you should always change your air filter for better MPG. With modern fuel injection and sensors, a mildly dirty filter has almost no impact on economy. I've tested it side by side, zero measurable difference until the filter is severely clogged. Check it every 10,000 miles or at oil changes. Replace when it's actually dirty. Skip the expensive performance filters promising huge gains, they're mostly marketing. Myth number 14, gas-saving apps guarantee the cheapest fuel. Apps like GasBuddy are useful tools, but user-reported prices are often stale. Chasing a 10-cent difference across town can easily cost you more in time and extra driving than you save. Use them as a guide, but prioritize stations on your normal routes. Don't turn bargain hunting into an expensive detour. Myth number 15, keeping your tank full prevents evaporation. Modern tanks and EVAP systems are sealed tight. Evaporation losses are negligible. Constantly topping off after the click can actually damage the vapor recovery system, trigger check engine lights, and lead to expensive repairs. Fill when you need to, let it click, and drive away. Bonus tip that actually works: on the highway, use cruise control whenever conditions allow. It keeps speed rock steady, which humans are terrible at doing manually. Real-world testing shows consistent 7–14% better economy on long drives. Set it at a comfortable 55–65 mph and let the computer handle the throttle. Now you know which myths are quietly costing you money. Put this knowledge to work and watch your fuel bills shrink. If you want more no BS car advice that actually saves you time and cash, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. In my next video, we're tackling 21 car maintenance myths that are ruining vehicles and wallets everywhere. Click the one on screen now. I'll see you there. Drive smart.